So, Assalamu alaikum, everybody. Just a quick video on how to do the Salaah Timetable installation. So, to begin with, you'll have a folder that looks probably something similar to this. There'll be a setup and also the latest update, which depending on whatever the latest update. The setup is 2.102, the update is 2.108. So we run the setup. Press next, 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 next. Quite a simple process. Finish that. So now this telling us the software has been installed onto this PC. Now these next few steps are probably the more important steps that I'm going to take you through. So you're going to see program files. It'll probably program files and programs for files 86, but as default, installation always installs to program files 86. You right click on where it says timetable and click on properties and then security and then edit users, and you click this top checkbox here that you see, and then click on apply. So then click on OK. So now that's done. So now basically what we've done here is we've set up the security so that this software will install quite simply. It's really helpful to do that. That last step wasn't really that necessary, but if you do it, it just makes life easier in the future if something goes wrong. Next thing you've got to do, you've got to go into the actual timetable folder, right click. It's a similar process, but this time this time on security. Sorry, right one. Properties. So compatibility this time. And then this time where it says that, you click on run this program as administrator. Again, and this is something that has to be done because otherwise your installation will end up in all sorts of different places. So the first time you run the actual software, you will find that you will need a code. But actually, before we do that, if you right click and create a shortcut to the desktop for the timetable, for the posters folder, and also the um, data folder. Now, remember when I last said that this installation was 2.102 in the specific instance. Your instance might be slightly different, but the actual update is 2.108. So what we'll do is we'll simply just copy this file to where the actual installation is. And this is how you do that. So what I'm doing is copy, and the installation is, like we said before, program files 86 timetable. Let's just copy into there. Yes, overwrite it. So now it's up, all that has done is upgraded it from 2.102 to 2.108. You run the software using our shortcuts that we've created. You click on one of the minarets just to quicken down. Now this is an important bit. On the very first run, it will ask you for a code. And the code that it asks is based on this code. So what you have to do, you have to take this code, you either telephone me or you email it to me, WhatsApp it to me, whatever your preferred option is. And then I will generate a code based on that. So on this occasion, you just have to put send me the code 80. Sorry, typing the wrong keyboard. 80EA61BF. So this computer's code is that. I will generate put on that. I will probably then WhatsApp you the answer for that code. do then, just simply paste it into there. So that's the code. Click OK, and that's that done. So now the software will run. Software as default will run as a portrait, as a standard template, which is already in there. If you get any error messages on the first startup, that's all to tell you that it has been upgraded from 2.1 to 2.108, and this item wasn't found, so click OK. One of the other first things you could do doing is you right click on the software itself. You wait for the hands to disappear if you do have hands showing there, and go into settings. Now I recommend this to be set to at least 6. This is so when the namaz starts. So for example, if this namaz starts at 5:45, it will show a red color for 6 minutes. That's that. Makruh times, the default settings are incorrect, so I recommend you set the default Zuhr 10 minutes and sunrise 14, or depending on whatever your message requires them to be. And also in this installation, there is issue with the way the hide screen was set up. So that I'll explain in another video exactly what the functions of this stuff is. This is also set up. This is not a portrait PC. This is a landscape, so I don't need that. So I'll clear everything, clear all that. So now this software should be ready to go. So if I now close it and then rerun it, it should still be, the actual template itself is still portrait, but the whole screen is now showing, and it's covered the entire screen up because we've set it as 00. I'll explain the settings another time maybe. So close the software down. What you now need to do is, in this specific instance, I've already got a template ready for this masjid. Now, the important files here that you see is the custom layout and the posters folder. So I'll very quickly show you them two items. So what I've done here is I've got a template ready. I'm going to, you can get an email off me or something. So copying it from my PC to this, or you would probably would have it like that. That's what a mistake. I guess that's the custom layout done, and also the posters. Poster. So these are being copied from my PC onto this timetable PC. Actually, PNG files, I shouldn't have bothered copying that across. PNG files, my software doesn't recognize. It only has to be JPEG, JPG, not JPEG. So once that is done, if I now restart the software, hopefully I've already set this up on separate PCs, so hopefully this should just go right. Yeah, everything looks in order. So one of the things that still needs to be done is the background. I've got a background, I think it's that one. I select it, press the exit button, and there you go. That's done. There's some text here that needs to be changed. Actually, I don't want this video to get too long. I'm concerned about that, but change the text. So the one that said hello, I'm going to change it. Jamaat set. And the one that said beginning, take the time bit off. So there you go. The whole master and everything done. And there's a bit of a scrolling text on this one. A nice simple landscape layout. To close the software now, you click on where it says 254 or any of these Jamaat times, or you click on 145 and the software simply shuts down. One thing to remember when you do your first install is set up the power and sleep settings to make sure everything is set to never. I've already done this before I started this video, so never, I've already done that. And the other one is the appearance. This is really only needs to be for small PC, like the one I'm using here. It's a very tiny PC. Always set it to adjust for best performance. And that's about it. Jazakallah for watching this video.